Hi everyone, welcome back. So I am here with another trigger specific questions like which are being asked again and again into the interview. So which are which is can we update a formula field using trigger? And write a trigger which should update a formula field. The question can be in this different way, but the question is same can we update formula field using trigger, right? What we say like the general answer is like yes or no, like that is basically no, as we can't update formula field using trigger and flow. And so how we can update that one, actually interviewer want to know that what will be your approach and how you can update that one, so let's try to update that one. So for that, what I will do, I will create a field into the opportunity, and that will be formula field, and I will try to update that one using a specific trigger, right? So let's create that field on opportunity, which we have to update using trigger. Okay, so let me open opportunity and create that field. Okay, so I have to select formula because we have to create formula field. I can give that suppose when opportunity close one, then I want to update that field, like that formula field. Okay, so for that we have to create formula field, we have to create formula for that. Okay, so it's a close one as I have given API name. Okay, formula, and let me click next. And so it's a closed one, and the same fields like I want to update using, that should be a checkbox, I want it should be checked you from a trigger, right? So I have added that. Let me create that formula as well. So it's a published value, which is stage name. So stage name, that should be closed one. When it should like opportunity close one, then I want to update this should be checked, right? So let me verify this one. Okay, there is no error, so I am saving that one. So clicking on next, okay, and add into the page layout as well, so that we can see that it is being updated or not. So on the UI label, I'm opening any opportunity, suppose this one. And in the detail sections, we have that we should have that specific field, and it's closed one. Let me refresh this one so I can see that field which I have created now. Okay, so it should appear now. Okay, is okay, it's closed one. Okay, yeah, here we can see that the field I have created, and let me check the formula is working or not. Let me update this opportunity to close one, so that we can verify that the formula is working or not. Okay, so I have made the opportunity closed one, and now we can see that the is closed one being checked. Okay, so now we have to update this closed one field using a trigger. So for that, we have to write a trigger. Let me open developer console so we can proceed for to write a trigger. Okay, so opening that, okay, just write apex trigger, like that will be I can give any name, opportunity opportunity trigger. And I want like okay, that is not apex class. Suppose it should be opportunity handle. First, I have to create a trigger, right? So that should be opportunity trigger, and the object will be opportunity trigger, because we are writing a trigger on opportunity object. So that's why I am selecting the object opportunity. So 15, 17. Okay, so now I have created the trigger. So condition I am giving that before insert and before update. Okay, so class name, oh, I'm giving opportunity handler, opportunity handler, and update, method name, update pp status. Okay, so let me that will be trigger dot new. Okay, so now trigger is ready, and we have to write the handler. So I'm just checking this one. Oh, copy and save, and I have to update the name of this class so that I can use this one. So public static, let me write that method. Public static void, and the method name is which is a date of ap status. I believe this is the same, and list of opportunity. I want all the opportunity should be opp list, and there can be we can give any conditions, like based on that we can update any field, and that field should update the stage of the opportunity. And then once the opportunity stage will be updated, then automatically that checkbox will be updated. Okay, so for now I am taking a conditions, like there is amount field on the opportunity. Let me see that one. Okay, so there is opportunity like amount field. I want when the amount exceeded 1 lakh, right? So it should update the stage like close one. Okay, so I'm giving that conditions, like first of all, create a loop for opportunity, pay and opportunity list, and again we will check that amount, like if opp dot amount not equal to null, and also we can add one more, and another condition will be amount greater than 1 lakh. I'm giving just a random value. So what it should update, opportunity stage name should be closed one. Okay, so so now our trigger as well as the handler is ready. So let's test that is this trigger being to able to update that field or not, right? So now whenever I will update the amount value, then it should update that specific field, right? So I am opening another opportunity. Here we can see that it's closed one, is not checked as of now, and the amount is already not above that one, the condition we have given. So let me edit this one, because our condition is before insert and before update. Okay, so I am giving random value to this on this one, so that it can trigger that trigger. Okay, so I have updated the amount value, and here we can see that the stage is not close one, and also our field not being updated, like formula field not updated. Okay, so what is the issue behind that is has not updated? And the same thing like opportunity handler, opportunity method, and I believe the trigger is not saved as of now, and so I think method issue. um, Save this one, handler, as well as I have to save the trigger as well. Okay, so once both will be saved, then it will work. Okay, now I believe it is saved. Okay, so I'm opening another opportunity 8. Here I am doing the same thing, so that we can check that it is working or not. Again I am adding few more zeros up, so that we have to save this one. And now here we can see that once I have updated the amount value, and opportunity become closed one, and the same time this field value, like this formula field being updated. So in this way we can update that, like that formula field, like using a trigger we can update another field, that field which are being used in that specific formula, then formula field will be automatically updated. So this is the way we can update that. Okay, so it was all about in this video. We will back some another scenario questions as well. Yeah.